Behind every epic quest and every stunning cinematic moment lies a complex machine. Before the games begin and the stories unfold, a new world must be built. This is the unseen assembly of a modern gaming console. Every console begins with its foundation. The main chassis and its metal frame provide the structural integrity, a clean slate ready to house the complex technology to come. Next, we integrate the brain of the operation, the custom logic board. This intricate network of circuits and connections is the central nervous system, ready to route power and data to every corner of the system. Now for the core components. We install the heart of the console, the powerful custom-built CPU and GPU. These processors are the dual engines that will drive every gameplay experience, from stunning graphics to lightning-fast load times. To complete the build, we add the storage and cooling. The ultra-fast solid-state drive is installed for near-instantaneous game loading, and the large cooling fan is secured to ensure the system stays at optimal temperatures, no matter how intense the session. The final details. The outer casing is completed, giving the console its iconic form. We plug it in, hit the power button, and watch it come to life, ready to become a gateway to new adventures. The assembly is complete. The system is ready. From individual parts to a unified whole, we've built a machine for entertainment. If you want to see more of the technology that powers our world, like and subscribe for more unseen assembly videos.